Dr. Fly. Belize. Let's flip him over so you can get a good view of what it looked like. Flip over, motherfucker. No. God damn it. There we go. That's what he looks like, y'all. There it is. And this is what he does. You see it right there. All of that snow. Yeah. So, yeah. He bit me. Landed on Mario's shoe. Mario slapped the hell out of him. Now we're waiting for the ants to come and collect the body. That's what's up, Dr. Fly. And this is not sponsored by 501. Sponsored by coconuts. Oh, that one's dry. Yeah. Dr. Fly. Come on, ants, come get him. I don't know if y'all can see the ants, but yeah, they about little black ants. Get them, y'all. Because I moved it. But we'll continue this when we start to see some come. That's what's up. And alright.